Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need an administrator account ready. Once you have that, open Start and go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. From there, click Windows Security and then open Windows Security to load the Security Center. This step is necessary because Firewall controls live inside that app. Make sure Windows is updated to avoid UI differences. Once done, locate Firewall and Network Protection in the app. This is the pane where you'll control profiles and enable protection for each network type. In Firewall and Network Protection, choose the active network profile first, domain if joined to a domain, private at home, or public on open networks. Click that profile and toggle Microsoft Defender Firewall to on. This activates inbound and outbound filtering for that profile. Once toggled, you can optionally enable recommended blocking of incoming connections. Make sure to repeat the process for other profiles you use, because each profile state is independent, and leaving one off leaves that network unprotected. After enabling profiles, use allow an app through Firewall to permit specific programs rather than opening ports. This maintains security while enabling functionality. For granular control, open advanced settings to create or modify inbound and outbound rules, specifying ports, IPs, or programs. If an application is still blocked, temporarily disable the firewall to test connectivity. If it works, re-enable and add a specific rule rather than leaving protection off. This troubleshooting step quickly isolates firewall causes without compromising long-term security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.